world long drive record holder, Paul Slater. His nickname's St George, being from England. So I want to talk about the driver. Now on the floor here, I've got two golf balls on T-pegs. This one here is the position that I would have if I was going to play golf. The long drivers, they use a really high T-peg, get the ball much higher up, because they want to have the feeling that when they strike the golf ball, they're in a positive angle of attack, hitting the golf ball up into the air. If they can have a high launch angle, it means they can use less loft, creating lower spin. So high launch, low spin creates a rainbow or parabolic ball flight, and it hits the golf ball a lot further. The technique is a little bit more specialized for a long drive swing than a normal golf swing. My ball position is going to move a lot further forwards. I'm going to have the ball positioned on the outside of my left foot. When I swing, I'll get set in my normal address position, and then I'm going to drop my right shoulder to bring the golf club into impact. That automatically is showing me in an ascending angle of attack. When I swing, I'm going to swing out really wide to start my swing, and then I'm going to go as high as my arms will go and still allow me to see the golf ball. I want to create as much width between my arms and my body as possible, and as little movement in my legs, create a really big wide position between my knees so that I'm really coiling up all throughout my midsection here. Now as I swing down, I'm going to drop my hands first, and then I'm going to fire my right side into the impact zone, imagining that the golf club is a hammer and I'm going to hammer the nail. What I used to do with Paul was actually get him to throw a discus. So we go really far around the body and throw out as far and wide as possible. So in my follow through, I'm going to drive my arms out wide and then around my body. I'm going to finish with my left leg strong and straight, my chest facing towards the target, may even go past just a little bit, because my golf club's going to have a lot of energy and it's going to continue to pull me through impact. So the ball position outside my left heel on a really high T-peg, but address an imaginary golf ball in my normal position on the inside of my foot, then bring the club forwards by inclining my shoulders away from target. I'm going to get set, really wide, high swing, and I'm going to hit the golf ball about another 15 or 20 yards further than I would with a lower T-peg